Well, look who we have here. The boys are back in town. Oh, they got some ladies too. Courting the ladies. Courting the ladies. Look at them. Fans up. Sizing them up. What do y'all think? Shoot. Try to creep by without scaring them. They seem preoccupied. Look at that old Tom in the back. Old Tommy. He's like, I know I'm the best around. Yeah. Don't look at those youngsters. Boy, they are competing. Listen to that call. That plumage, man. Look at that plumage. They don't even care. They don't even care. I'm here. Nice bustles, bros. I'll get out of y'all's feathers. Y'all have a good one.